Okay, it's on.
Paul and I spent the morning getting the frame put back together and just as far as we could get to where we could start it without having any problems, but not as far as to have it all buttoned up. You can see the fuel injectors right here at the top of the valve train, and the number 4 is plugged in but cut off. I wanted to fill those holes. All the sensors are back on. The high pressure oil hoses are back on, and here we go. Anytime you take the fuel injectors out like that, it's going to be hard to start for a while till all the air gets out of the system and whatnot. We still need to add some ATF fluid in from taking the torque converter off, and the power steering takes ATF fluid. Here, let me give it a little bit of fuel and you can hear it. I don't know if you could tell, it's making me want to sneeze. I might sneeze. But it's really not shaking that bad. It's definitely something that can be put up with. And I'll try to keep the speeds as low as I can, but still be on the interstate. And just real happy with how things are going so far. I wanted to check in with you. We're not down south yet. So, I mean, that's the ultimate decision or what's it called? It's not the ultimate test. So this isn't the ultimate test, but so far so good. And thank you to everyone that helped me out and pitched in with their 2 cents and encouraged me, because this is something that you could probably get down on yourself over. But I always felt like if you can do math and you can read and you can write, I mean, they gave us those tools when we were kids. That's all I've done is just follow directions, manual, protocol, best practices, and patience and prudence. That was my recipe. Anyway, thanks, and we'll see you as we start to pack up and get out of here.